Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. I've recently had a little play around with the BlueSky Gum Gel and glitter to see whether you can cap the glitter or not. You can find a list of some of the products that I've used in this video in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on. And please also like this video. These really help out my channel. Thank you. So I created these two nails using two different ways, and I'm going to show you each way I did them. It's really quite easy, but as you can see, the one on the right is nice, glossy and full of sparkly glitter, and the other one is definitely not. I'll go through what products I'm using. Now this video is a very new style of video for me, so please bear with me. Even though you can't see the glitter shining through, some of the angel paper is though. I'm going to be using my flexi finger, which is how I created the first ones, and I'll be using nail tips as well. I've got a holographic flaky, and I've also cut up some strips of angel paper. Both of these I purchased from Glitter Planet UK. I'll be also using the Nails dehydrator and primer, the BlueSky base coat and their no wipe top coat, as well as the BlueSky builder gel in clear. I've got some nail glue for applying the tips, which is the Nails brush on glue, and a selection of brushes for the gum gel and builder gel. For the gum gel, I'll be using the Cover Pink and Clear. I would have already have gone in and done all my prep work if I was doing this on a real nail. Both my application and infill videos on the BlueSky Gum Gel have my prep routine in them. And then I'll go in and remove the surface shine from the nail bed. This helps products to adhere to the nail better. I'm only using a 180 grit file, and I'm being very gentle. Once I have removed all of the shine, I'm then going to brush away any dust with my dusting brush. I'm not the best at applying tips. I don't have a lot of practice with them, but you need to make sure that you're fitting the tips from side wall to side wall, and that the tip only sits on the free edge part of the nail. There is loads and loads of videos on YouTube about applying tips. I'll then get my glue and I'll apply a small amount onto the nail tip. Please excuse my glue bottle, it decided it wanted to leak, so it's in a little bag. When I place this down, I'll just go straight down onto the nail and hold it in place. Normally you only need to hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds. I'm still getting used to using the flexi finger as well. This is actually only the second time I've used it. I'm so used to doing things on my nail trainer hand. With this flexi finger, it's silicone, so it feels weird. I'm used to really hard plastic. Taking the dehydrator, I'll apply one coat. If I was doing this on real nails, I would use 2 coats, and then I will repeat exactly the same with the primer as well. Using the BlueSky base coat, I'll apply a thin layer to the whole nail, making sure I avoid the skin. If I do accidentally get any on the skin, I'll just take my brush with some isopropyl alcohol and I'll remove it before curing, which I'll cure for 30 seconds. Once that's cured, I'll then start the gum gel application, and I'm going to be using the pink for the base. I'll dip my gel tool into my isopropyl alcohol. This really helps the gum gel release onto the nail bed so much easier. And I'm going to take a small to medium bead of the gel and place it in the middle of the nail. I am using a different brush than I have done in my other gum gel videos. Now I have just purchased the BlueSky Gum Gel brush, which I'm hoping to use sometime this week. With my brush slightly wet with the isopropyl alcohol, I'm going to apply this to the whole of the nail. I do have full videos on application and infill that I have done here on my channel, and you can find that in the BlueSky playlist for a more in-depth video on application. Around the cuticle area, I'll have my brush at sort of like a 45-degree angle, making sure it fits nice into that nail bed and it's nice and flush to that natural nail. The gum gel is so easy to work with. I'm actually wearing 3 different colours on my nails. I'm not going to cure this just yet. I'll now go into applying the glitter and the angel paper. I'm taking an old gel brush for the glitter. These are actually really quite good for picking up glitter, and apply this in a diagonal line across the nail, making sure that I very gently push this into the gum gel. I use the hollow because of its colour shifting, and I wanted to see it underneath the gum gel. Once I've applied that, I'll then take my gem tool and I'm going to pick up the angel paper and apply that across the glitter line, making sure again that it's nice and down into the gel. You could flash cure the gum gel for 5 to 10 seconds before doing this, but I wanted the glitter to cure into the gum gel. But once I've added the angel paper, I will do a full cure on the gum gel. For curing, UV is 2 minutes and LED is 60 seconds. Now, I don't often get to do nails like this, so I think I'm going to be bringing more like this to my channel. Using the clear gum gel, I'm now going to cap this glitter. This is where you would make sure your apex is in place, remembering the longer the nail, the higher the apex needs to be. As I'm only just showing you what I did, I won't be putting in a high one. You'll also notice that the glitter does go matte, like it would do if you were using acrylic. And this does actually make so you can actually see that you've capped all of the glitter. If this type of video you would like to see more on my channel, then leave me a comment below. Also, if there's anything you'd like me to do like this, then again, leave me a comment below. Remember, I don't work with acrylic though. I really did have a lot of fun doing this. Once I've capped the whole nail, I'll then cure again for another full 60 seconds. When it's cured, I'll remove the tacky layer with a lint wipe and isopropyl alcohol, and I'll start the filing. Once I've finished filing, and this product doesn't really need a lot of filing, I'll get rid of the dust with my brush, and I'll then come in with my buffing block and I'll go over all of the nail to remove the file lines. This really does give it a much smoother look. And I'll do one final dust and then clean again with the isopropyl alcohol. Then, using the BlueSky No Wipe top coat, which is a lovely top coat to use, I'll apply one layer. Now, this is where you'll see that the glitter doesn't sparkle like I would have hoped. I do think that it's down to the gum gel, which isn't super clear like clear acrylic or builder gel is. With the second nail off camera, I've already applied the nail tip, then the base coat, followed by the pink base gum gel and the glitter, and I've cured. I'm then going to use the BlueSky clear builder gel, and I'm going to take a fairly big bead and apply this over the top of the glitter. With using the builder gel over the top, it will stay shiny, so it is a little harder to know if you've missed any bits of the glitter. Now, the BlueSky builder gel is soakable as well, but with this nail you can still have the same strength from gum gel, but the shininess of the builder gel as well. For curing the BlueSky builder gel, it's 2 minutes in a UV and 60 seconds for LED. So once that's cured, I'm then going to apply another layer. This is just to make sure that I have covered all of that glitter. There's nothing worse than making a fabulous nail and you file into that glitter, which I have done. and I'll then cure again for another 60 seconds. Once I've filed, buffed, cleaned the nail, I'm then going to apply a layer of the BlueSky No Wipe top coat to this nail, and I'll cure that for 60 seconds. And this is where you're going to see the difference between the two nails that I've done. How this one really shines that glitter through. It just looks amazing. That hollow is really flickering around, as where the other one is really quite dull. But it does show that it is capable of capping the glitter. And then here are the two nails side by side. I really hope that this video has been helpful and that you have enjoyed it. Thank you for viewing my BlueSky Gum Gel glitter capping tutorial. I really do hope you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up, comment below. I really love to hear from you guys. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.